How to create an impressive-looking presentation in seconds without wasting hours, days, or even weeks on time-consuming PowerPoint slides. Today, the trick to create hassle-free presentation slides quickly is revealed. Have you ever been through those painful experience of doing up a PowerPoint slides? For many people, even if for the experienced ones, it could be so freaking time-wasting. Not just doing it. It's the time and energy in the whole process. Brainstorming what to write, conceptualize, the design of it, which includes color palette, fonts, finding the relevant images and adjusting the size of all these, from preparation to completion. Now, ask yourself, what is the main purpose of these slides? For most cases, it is just to show the audiences while you speak. Often a one-time or a few-time usage. My point is, slides preparation is so boring and often not the most productive activity. So, the question is, why waste so much time in it? Finally, there is a fantastic solution. This incredibly useful tool not only gives you an organized structure, but it even fill in the informations and put in attractive images. Welcome to the world of AI presentation tool Tome, helping to make storytelling simpler. Let's take a closer look and find out what I like about this tool. Right now, we are in the templates section. As you can see here, there are many ready-to-use templates, and in most cases you could find one of these slides templates that is suitable for your presentation. Now I am going to show you what unique features I like about this tool. Firstly, click Create, located at the top right corner. Now select Create Presentation About, for example. Let's try providing a short info about what content we want. And guess what? You could even determine the number of slides for this presentation. How cool is that? A presentation with a few pages might not look prepared, while too many pages would bore the audience. Let's try 10 slides to begin with. What is Threads? The comparison of Threads versus Twitter, the differences between main features and benefits, and why should people be excited of each tool. And click Enter. Voila, it's done. Editing the pages is as easy as drag and drop. At the left-hand side, it allows you to select the pages. In the page shown at the center of the screen, you can then edit the words or add more content. What surprised me is the result, the explainability. It seems to be able to understand and generate readable and content that makes sense, instead of just random words. One of the key features of Tome AI is its ability to analyze text at both the sentence and document level. This means that the platform can identify the most important sentences within a document and summarize them to provide a comprehensive overview of the text. Additionally, Tome AI can also identify the main themes and topics within a document, providing users with a deeper understanding of the content. At the right-hand side, you would see a plus icon allowing you to add tile, record narration, and set theme. Let's click Add Tile. You could add text, videos, images, and more. Let's try Add an Image. Click and drag to your page, drop to wherever you want. It would fit the page perfectly. You could select Create by prompting the AI what you want. You could select Upload and then choose images from your files. You could select Search, which you can select images from Unsplash. Let's try out the interesting option, Create. If you are a Midjourney user, you would find this familiar. For example, I want an image that illustrates people holding their phones smiling in a world of social media. It would generate and gives you 4 suggestions. You could regenerate or keep. However, I want the image to match the current images that look more like comic style. So I re-entered the instructions, edit to people holding their phones smiling, in a world of social media in comic art style. Now, this image that I want, I simply drag and drop it. And it would automatically scale it. Changing the theme, color palette is intuitive too. Let me show you. Take a look. There are different themes to choose from. Light to dark theme. When I change to creme color, the fonts automatically changes to darker color. How cool is that? This is a huge time saver. instead of going to page by page to edit colors. And sometimes it does not look professional when you have forgotten to change the font color for one of the slides. Tome has been touted the generative AI killer of Microsoft PowerPoint and AMP, Google Slides. Yes, this startup hopes to displace PowerPoint with AI-powered storytelling app, which after using it, this competent tool could potentially kick PowerPoint out of the park, which it has dominated for years. Tome has prided itself on letting users quickly build presentations and tell online stories with just a few simple clicks or taps. What if you could do it all with just a prompt? Yes, it does sound too good to be true. Can generative AI, like ChatGPT, be more than just a toy? Getting answers from asking an AI bot questions? This startup managed to find use cases for it, and it is among those betting on its business potential. Interesting facts. 1. This buzzy storytelling startup Tome raised $43 million. 2. Now it's said to be valued at $300 million while still pre-revenue. 3. Tome says it's the fastest productivity software maker to ever reach 1 million users since its release. By early February, San Francisco-based Tome passed 1 million users, 134 days after launch. That would make Tome the fastest productivity tool to ever reach that milestone, the company believes based off research it reviewed and shared with Forbes, ahead of the likes of giants such as Dropbox, Slack and Zoom. What I really like about Tome is the powerful feature to create a presentation, basically out of nothing. Providing descriptive instructions, by putting in a few concise sentences and it would generate into a cool presentation. It looks professional, isn't it? It magically generates presentation slides in seconds to only few minutes. I tested it, and it always managed to complete in seconds. Before I could grab my coffee in the kitchen, it's done. It greatly saves my time. And I believe you will benefit a lot from it too. If you often has to create presentation slides while presenting to your company or small team or customers, this is the cheat code your colleague would want to know. Teachers, educators, are often packed with workload. They would find this incredibly helpful, as this tool frees up more time, allowing them to focus on other important stuffs. For students, this might sound like passing your test with flying colors even with last-minute study effort. By the way, Tome AI is already being used by businesses and organizations across a wide range of industries, including finance, healthcare, and legal services. It is revolutionizing how we analyze textual data by providing a fast, accurate, and customizable platform for text summarization and analysis. So, what do you think about Tome AI? Are you as surprised as I am by how cool this tool is? Do comment below on how do you think this tool could help you in and what it could improve on. Thanks so much for checking out this video. And please, don't forget to subscribe to my channel right here, and I look forward to bring you more interesting content.